Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn geometric shapes and solids. So some shapes are given here. This is called plane shapes. First, this shape is called square. It has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all four sides are equal in length. The next shape is rectangle. It is also having the four sides and the equal opposite sides are equal. It's opposite side. This is opposite of this, and this is opposite to this side. Okay, opposite sides are equal in rectangle. This is a triangle. It has made with the three lines or three sides, and this is circle. Okay, this is made with the curved line. So these all are called plane shape because it doesn't have any thickness. Okay, so now we are studying about the solid shapes. What is solid shape? The solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere and cone. How many solid shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will show with the example what is the cuboid. This is the cuboid. You have seen this cuboid, I think. You are playing with this now. So see the cuboid. It has how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is 6. 6 faces. It has length, breadth and also height. Okay, that's why it is calling it solid shape. The next is cuboid. So this is cuboid. Cuboid surface is just like a rectangle. It also has a 6 face, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, it also has length, breadth and the height. Okay, this is the height of this cuboid. Now we are talking about the cylinder. This is the kind of cylinder. All your waters is like a cylinder only. This is the cylinder. It has circular surface, two circular surface at the top and at the bottom, and one curved surface. Okay, this is the curved surface. Now we are talking about the sphere. Sphere is just like a ball. This is the sphere. Tomatoes, apple, all like sphere. Now we are talking about the cone. Okay, you are familiar with cone, I think. You have you wore the birthday caps. No, this is like a cone, or you are eating the ice cream in cone. This is a cone. Okay, this is a cone. One pointed edge and a rolling surface. Okay, this is called cone. Now we are talking about the exercise 1F. Okay, color the circle yellow. So we have I have already made the circles yellow, rectangles blue, squares red, triangles green. Okay, see the triangles are green, squares are red and all rectangles are blue. Now answer the following questions. How many circles? So let me count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. How many square? Only one square. You know square is having all four sides equal length. How many rectangles? These are the rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rectangles. How many triangles? Triangles are only 2, which is colored with green. Now see, write the name of the solid shape that these objects resemble. This is a eraser. It looks like a cuboid, no? Just like a cuboid. So this is cuboid and this is cylinder. Okay, come to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Dash can only slide. Slide means to drag. So sphere or cuboid. Cuboid can slide. This is called the sliding. But when we are talking about the sphere, it is rolling and it has gone. Rolled and gone. So cuboid can only slide. Sphere can only roll. Which is roll? Sphere. Dash can slide as well as roll. So cone can slide as well as roll. See, cone can slide as well as roll. It can roll as well as slide. Okay. dash is being done in the picture. Here is a picture. This is a picture of sliding. See, sliding and rolling. This is a picture of sliding. Now we will do the next exercise. Self practice G. Write next number in the following pattern. In this we need some calculations. See here how we will come to the next number. 5, 7, 9 and 11, and this is 13. How it just came? 5 plus 2, 7. Then this 7, when we are adding 2 with this answer 7, it will become 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Then definitely 11 plus 2 is 13. The next number will be 13. See here. 93, 83, 73, 63, 53. See, in this question, the change has occurred in tens place. It means 10 is subtracted from each number. So 93 minus 10 is 83, 83 minus 10 is 73, 73 minus 10 is 63, 63 minus 10 is 53. So the next number will be 53. See here. 6, 9, 12, 15. Then next number we have to write. You know that 6, when we are multiplying with 2, you are getting 6. When you are multiplying 3 with 3, getting 9. 3 with 4, 12. 3 with 5, 15. Then 3 with 6, it will be 18. See here. 21 and 20, 19, 18, 17. How 17 came? This number is like a backward counting. Okay. To 21 minus 1 is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. See here. The pattern. A, B, then 2A, 2B, then 3A, 3B. The next will be 4A and 4Bs. See here, triangle, star, then circle, then triangle, star, circle. After circle, which shape is here? Triangle. So next shape will be the triangle. I hope you will understand the exercise. Okay.